Today I am continue to select the next exercises, the next kata from Codewars to finish my daily exercise. So I'm just gonna select the katas that I have not completed. The first one is, let's see, this is about delete occurrences of an element if it occurs more than n times. Okay, so Alice and Bob were on holiday. Both of them took many pictures of the places they've been. And now they want to show Charlie their entire collections. However, Charlie doesn't like these sections since the motif usually repeats. He isn't fond of seeing the to 40 times. He tells them that he will only sit blah 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 show the same motive at most n times. So luckily they are able to encode the motive as a number. So can you help them to remove numbers such that the list contains each number only up to n times without changing the order? Okay, to be honestly, the description such like this for me is difficult to understand. So the task is given a list and a number n. Create a new list that contains each numbers of first at most n times without reordering. For example, if n equals to 2 and the input is this array, you take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Drop the next 1, 2, because 1 already occurred 2 times. So n is the maximum occurrent time. So we need to drop from the third time and afterward. Since this would lead to 1 and 2 being in the result 3 times, and then take 3, which leads to, okay, so example is here. Okay, let's do it. So let's see how to write it. We've already have the test cases, right? So for the order, this is the order. We cannot change the orders, right? This is one of the requirements. And the max E is the times. So what can we do? What can we do? From our experience, that if the problem is regarding about the occurrences times, a good data structure to help us to solve the problem is hash. So maybe in this case we also create a hash first. And give it the default value, which is 0, because it can help us to accumulate the currencies. After that, let's do we need that? Oh yes, because we need to, okay, because I just thinking about if we can use select method to do it, but no, yeah, let's just order dot each. Let's create this iteration. Dot each is the number, right? So inside this iteration, we want to iterate each number, and when a number occur, that we accumulate it into the hash, into HSH data structure, into HSH object, then accumulated. Once one number already has 2 times occurred, then we just don't add it. Yes. I used to think to use map or select, but maybe we just going in an easier way. Go an easier way to take an easier way to solve this. Okay, like this is the result array. Let's create an empty array for this, right? So if this number if the number need to less than 2, if less than 2, then we add this number into result, and we give this number increment by 1. Increment by 1. Now after that we go to another one, right? Only that the occurrence less than 2. But yeah, this is the problem. Why is 2, right? We have this max. Yeah, we need to replace this 2 with the max e. Replace this 2 with max e. Okay, I think in the end we just return this result. Let's see. Let's test. Okay, test passed. Let's attempt to solve the problem. Okay, let's submit. Okay, after successfully submit, we can see all those previous fabulous solutions. Yes, then yeah, this is how Codewars give us chances to learn, that we can learn from all the ranked best practices, or people rank it for clever, that we can learn new methods and the new approaches, solutions. For this one, let's see. Okay, it also created a hash, right? It rejected from the order that if the occurrence, it do this every time it do this. After this, it will determine if the occurrence's result is greater than max e or not. If it is, it reject from the order. Okay, yes, quite neat. Okay, hope you can learn from this exercise. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.